Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Horizon by Tess. Hope you're all staying safe during this COVID-19 pandemic that we are all going through. Today I'll show you how to make the most delicious classic chicken fettuccine alfredo in easy steps using minimum ingredients possible. But before we get to the recipe, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video, like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you. First of all, in a large pot of hot water, about 4 quarts, add some generous amount of salt. Addition of salt adds flavor to the water, which would be absorbed by the pasta. Also, salt helps increase the boiling point of the water, meaning the water will have a higher temperature at the time of pasta addition, causing it to cook better. Now add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, which will prevent the pasta from sticking together. Bring the water to boil, then add half a pound of your choice of fettuccine pasta. Cook according to the package directions until done. My portions would serve 2 people, but you could always multiply the amount of my ingredients to fit your number of servings. Move the pasta around in the pot as needed. Tongs work the best. After a while, check to see if it is done. It has to be tender and yet slightly firm. Due to the consistency of the pasta broth, this could also be used to thicken your pasta sauce if needed. Turn the heat off and strain in a colander. Now wash with cold water and toss with tongs. If you don't wash with cold water, the heat would continue to cook the pasta. Now set aside and let the water drain completely. Next, we need 2 garlic cloves. Mince them. Now finally chop some parsley. I would have personally preferred flat leaf parsley, but curly parsley were what was available at the store, so this is what I got. Flat leaf parsley has a more robust flavor. Here I have half a pound of chicken breast. Now see, this part is much thicker than the other part. So to minimize the uneven thickness, I'm going to slice through the chicken breast. This will help the chicken to cook much faster and at the same level of doneness at every part. As you can see, the top slice has uniform thickness all through. The bottom slice is a little smaller in size, which is fine. Now time to season the chicken. I'm going to use a total of half a teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper for all sides. A total of about half a teaspoon of ground sea salt for all sides. And a total of half a teaspoon of paprika for all sides. Good seasoning is extremely important. Using paprika not only adds its flavor but also adds a very vibrant color. For a more meaty pasta, you could always use more chicken for the same amount of pasta used. Now in a skillet on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Let the butter melt. Spread it around the pan. Add the chicken and turn the heat to medium-high. Sear on each side for about 3 minutes without moving. Once one side is seared, turn over. Press if you feel any part is not completely touching the pan. Sear the sides as well. Once the searing is done, turn the heat to medium and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes each side, or until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches between 160 and 165 degrees Fahrenheit. When the chicken is done, you will transfer to an aluminum foil and cover. This will allow the meat to stay juicy and warm. Do not slice right away, as it will cause the meat to dry up inside. Now, in the same skillet on medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Let the butter melt. Stir as necessary, scraping off any brown bits. Now add the minced garlic. Saute until fragrant for about a minute. Don't let the garlic turn brown. Then add 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. Stir to mix. Bring the cream to a simmer over medium heat. Let the bubbles appear and reduce the sauce a bit. Stir as necessary. Once the sauce reaches a slightly thicker consistency, turn the heat to medium-low and keep the sauce warm. Now add a touch of ground nutmeg, which is about less than half of 1/8 of a teaspoon. Then add 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Off the block is better. Whisk continuously until the cheese melts completely to prevent curdling. Now add some more fresh ground black pepper, about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon. Stir in. Check if you need to add more seasoning. Mine tastes perfect. Now I'm going to add the fettuccine pasta. Toss around to make sure every string is coated with the sauce. Fettuccine, being a long, flat noodle, provides more surface area for the creamy cheese sauce to stick onto. Meanwhile, quickly slice the chicken. You can feel that the chicken is still warm since it was wrapped in aluminum foil. Now add the chicken to the pasta in the pan. Toss around. Now turn the heat off. Put some chopped parsley on top. Our classic chicken fettuccine Alfredo is done. It's ready to be served, and you could serve it with your choice of sides. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video. Like, comment, and share my videos. If you have any concerns, you could always leave a comment below. Take care.